Hey Rockstar family, welcome back to my channel. I know, two videos in 1 week, right? I've just broken my record. Awesome. Sorry guys, the camera moved there a little bit. I have it on like a weird stand. It's not a proper stand for a camera, but what's gonna have to do. Today, we are having, I forgot what this is called. Burger King. Oh my god, guys, I'm so hungry and I'm super excited. Hope everyone's having a fantastic week so far. I am. It's really, really busy at work, but busy is good. I got this delivered from this place called Skip the Dishes. It's something like Postmates in the US, but here in Canada, they just deliver food from different types of restaurants. So without further ado, let's get started, and I'll show you guys what I am eating, and hopefully you guys can pause this video right now, go get your food, and then come back, and then we can eat together, okay? So my straw, and this is a large Coke. They put this sticker on it. I don't know what for. But... oh, I guess so it doesn't spill. Duh, Andrew. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this in here anyway. There's my Coke. And then... I got fries. Mozzarella sticks. Uh-oh, the fries just fell. Here, let's move it over to the side. A Whopper. And then barbecue sauce for my fries and marinara sauce for the cheese sticks. So every time I have Burger King, I never get the cheese sticks to be really, really cheesy, but everything's really hot today, so hopefully it is nice and cheesy. So here's my burger. Hopefully you guys can see it. And then you guys can see the fries. Can you see the fries? Yeah. The fries. And the drink. So let's open up this. Barbecue sauce. And marinara sauce. I spilt it. Let me take a bite out of the burger so you guys can see what it looks like. It's just a plain Whopper with cheese, mayo, and ketchup. That's it. Very good. I don't know why I got barbecue sauce. I'm not crazy about it, but I still eat it. That's the mozzarella sticks. See, it's not like gooey and cheesy. It's cheesy, but it's not gooey. It's like, it reminds me of, you guys know that string cheese? And then the other layer is breadcrumb. When I think of a nice mozzarella stick, I think you bite into something warm and the cheese is all like stretchy and cheesy. But I was gonna put it in the microwave, but I think it would taste bad. So, how's everybody's week doing? Well, it's only Tuesday, so how are the first 2 days of the week going so far? Mine's been going good, as I mentioned. We're starting to get good weather, which is exciting. It's still a little chilly, but it's sunny, not too many clouds. Hoping this weekend I can do some outdoor activities or something. I take Rocky for like walks every night, but I don't necessarily take him to like a dog park where I can take his leash off and just let him run around like crazy with the other dogs. I want to do that this year. I think it would be fun and he'd love it. So good, guys. So I noticed in quite a few of my videos, I'm constantly like, I feel like I'm yelling. So I'm trying to, speak a lot lower. I hope you guys can hear me. Cheers. Oh my god, guys, look at this. That is funny. Maybe I can use those for something. I gotta figure out how to get you guys closer, but can still see me. I don't know. Rocky is eyeing my food. He's like, yo, Daddy, where's my food, man? Give me some. You have your own food. Once a month, I'll get him like a plain cheeseburger, not cheeseburger, like a plain hamburger from McDonald's. And I'll give him that as a treat. Once a month though, not too often. So, one of my all-time favorite YouTubers that I've been watching for as long as since I discovered YouTube is Trisha Paytas. And I know she'll never watch my videos, but I would like to wish Trisha a very happy 30th birthday. And I wish her continued success. I think she's phenomenal. I think she's a go-getter. And she's actually the person that inspired me to build the confidence to do these mukbangs. Uh-oh. No Kleenex? I think I managed okay. So yeah, Trisha Paytas, happy dirty 30. And for everybody else who's celebrating a birthday, happy birthday to you. Enjoy it. Do what makes you happy. And spend it with those that you love. And remember, it's not the number that's important, it's how you feel. So if you're 40 and you feel fantastic, rock on. I'm making a mess here, guys. I know I keep buying these things. I'm not crazy about them. For the reason I told you. Sorry guys if I sound nasally. My nose is stuffed. It's allergy season. Such is life. Can't believe I got all these cups things. Anybody have any special plans on the weekend? I think I'm just gonna do a nice spring cleaning. I haven't done that yet. Open all the windows. Let the air change. I feel stuffy in here. Sit on the balcony. Have a nice beer. Watch my favorite shows on Netflix. Oh my god, guys. I know like I'm so late. But if you haven't yet, go watch Suits. It is such an amazing show. Then Scandal. What else? Stranger Things. I'm not too crazy about Stranger Things. But I usually like to give it like one season before I make my final decision. And I'll let you guys know. But I'm stuffed. That was really, really good. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed your meal. If you liked this video, I don't know why I can't pronounce. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a Rockstar family member, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to share. Love you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.